Hello everyone. So in today's lecture we are going to see one more example on formulation of linear programming problem. So in this problem I am having a firm manufacturer which manufactures three types of product A, B and C, and the profit for each product is, for A it is rupees 1, for type B it is 2, for C it is 3. Okay, so this is my profit for each product. Then the firm has two machines, G and H, and the processing time for machine G is 2000 minutes and for machine H it is 2500 minutes. That's my processing time, means the available time for each machine. Then the firm manufactures 100 A's, 200 B's and 550 C's, but not more than 150 A's. So for this we have to set up linear programming to maximize my profit, and the time required for each product for each machine is given by this table. Okay, so in this problem what is there, I am having a firm which has again two machines, G and H. Then each machine is processing three product A, B, C, and similarly H is processing three products A, B, C. Okay, so in total what is their processing time? 2000 minutes. For H it is 2500 minutes. Okay, so as we have seen in our last example, we need three things for formulation of linear programming problem. First is my decision variable. Okay, so let's assume that I am having x1, x2, x3 number of product of type A, type B and type C respectively. Okay, so these are my decision variable. Next I have to formulate my objective function. What will be my objective to solve this problem? My objective is to maximize the profit. Okay, so profit gained by the firm is, suppose I am selling x1 number of product of product A, x1 number of A's. So what profit I will gain? I will gain 1 x1. Similarly, if I sell x2 number of type B product, I will gain a profit of 2 into x2, and similarly for product 3 my profit will be 3 x3. Okay, and in total my profit is this one. So this will give me my objective function, okay, which is to maximize this P. Okay, next is the constraints thing. I got my decision variable, I got my objective function. At last I need the constraints on my objective function. So constraint is given by processing time in this. So total time required in processing type 1, type A, B and C at machine is given as like for 2000 minutes for G machine and 2500 minutes for H. So this is my available time for each machine. Okay, so total time required in processing each type A, B, C is given by this table, and as we have known that given available time for each machine G and H is 250. So how I can form my constraints? For, as we know, by machine G the processing time for product A is 4 minutes, and since I am producing x1 number of product of type A, so this will be my total time consumed by that product production on machine G. Similarly for product B, 3 into x2 will be my processing time. For product C it will be 5 into x3, and in total this is the time which machine will work. Okay, so it should be less than 2000 minutes, less than or equals to 2000 minutes. Similarly for this I am calculating for machine G. Similarly for machine H, what I will have I will have 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 4x3, and the processing time should be less than 2500 minutes. So these two will give me my constraint equation, two constraint equations. Next constraint equation is that the firm manufactures hundreds of A. Okay, it manufactures 100 of A but not more than 150. So how many products I will form? For x1 it should be greater than 100 but less than 150. Okay, next is for product B, it is 0 more than 0 but less than 200. For product C, greater than 0 products I will produce, manufacturer will produce, but less than 50s. So that will be my third constraint equation. So I got my decision variables, I got my objective function, and these are my constraint equations. So what will be the formulation of LPP? So I will use, here I am writing my formulation of linear programming problem given by this statement. Okay, so what is my objective function? My objective function is to maximize my profit, and my profit is given by equation, this equation, which is 1x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3. So this I have to maximize, subjected to my first constraint is 4x1 plus 3x2 plus 5x3, and it is less than 2000. My first constraint equation. Second is 2x1 plus 2x2 plus 4x3 less than. Okay, so these two are my constraints, and then I am having non-negative constraint. Restrictions on my decision variables, which is for x1 it is should be less than 150 but more than 100. For x2 it is in between 0 and 200, and similarly for x3 it is in between 0 and 50. So that's how we will formulate our linear programming problem. Objective function, constraint, non-negative restrictions on my decision variables x1, x2, x3. Okay, that's all for today's lecture. Thank you.